All right, so the car does something weird I've never experienced before. And when I press on my brake, okay, you'll feel, if you put your hand here, you'll feel on the transmission shifter a clicking, click, click. It doesn't do it when the car's off, when the engine's not on, okay? I'm pushing the brake, and I feel nothing here, or hear nothing. Now I'm gonna start the car. Okay, car's on.
Video mode.
Now tell me if you can hear it. Listen. You hear that clicking? Every time I press on the brake. It's in the shifter column, like in here somewhere. It's vibrating. I feel the vibration all in here. Only when it's in park. Only when it's in park it does that. I put the car in reverse, doesn't do it. Put it in neutral, doesn't do it. Oh, it's doing it in neutral. I did not know that. That's the only time. Yeah. It didn't do it in drive. I had the car in drive, and it didn't do it. I'm gonna go reverse back here. Let's put it in drive. It's not doing it in drive. Okay. That's it. Back to the service it goes. It hasn't been in the service in a long time besides getting an oil change. See what this problem is.